Good evening, everyone, and you are so welcome on our online coffee and information session. This is normally a testimony session where we share testimonies of results on our glyconutritional products, but we have very exciting news. We are launching a brand new collagen product that is absolutely complementing our glyconutritional products. So for the people on the call, our event ID for this evening is 2930. And yes, then we're going to move over to our topic of this evening. And it's all about launching our new essentials that is trademarked collagen product. And when I did my research on this topic, I always knew, I always heard the word collagen and I knew that it's very essential for the body. But when I really dived in, I saw that, in your mid 20s, late 20s, the production of collagen in your body naturally actually starts declining in that age. So when you feed your body with an essential protein that is declining over time, you are actually giving your body a huge gift. So yes, with that, let's carry on with the presentation. And we are actually going to connect the dots between glyconutrition and collagen. Now you might wonder, why are we doing that? What is the essence of glyconutrition and the collagen that we are sharing this evening? So when you look at the term of glyconutrition, it refers to the science of plant-based nutrients that support cellular communication and overall health. And that is all that Manatech is about. We are a research and development company. We have found that these glycans that has always been present in our diets are not there anymore. And through our research and development, we could put human consumable products on the market to actually supplement our diets. So, what does glyconutrition do, and what is glyconutrients? Now, glyconutrients are also known as glycoproteins or glycoforms. And those are complex carbohydrates that play a crucial role in cell signaling, cell cohesion, and immune function. And when we carry on further in the presentation, you will actually see where that fits in within the cellular communication. So, what is collagen? To me personally, I always thought that collagen is also a mineral or or a vitamin that you get in your diet, but collagen is actually a protein. And that protein relies on glycoproteins and other glycoforms to function properly. So, glycosylation, the process of attaching carbohydrates to proteins, is essential for collagen structure, stability, and function. So, therefore, you can actually see that in essence, glyconutrition supports the production of glycoproteins, which in turn help collagen to do its job effectively. That is exactly why we are connecting the dots, because Manatech is a wonderful company that actually supplies all these nutritional supplementation that our body needs. So with that, I'm going to actually give over to Brach Kamstra. She is going to share a video with us. And yeah, as you can look at the slide in front of you, just to conclude what I've discussed with you, we have our flagship product, Ambrotose. It is a wonderful product that enhances cell-to-cell communication, that is enriched with the glycan technology. And what is so amazing when you look at nature and mother's milk, all these 8 essential glycans are present in mother's milk. So our creator exactly knew what we needed for optimal immune function for our cells to communicate to each other, to say, repair me, nourish me, destroy me, protect me. And if we got it in our diets today, this supplementation wouldn't have been necessary. So why is Ambrotose our flagship product? What makes it so unique? Now, the aloe plant is the basis of where we get our ace mannan from. And the aloe plant is actually known for absorbing toxins out of the air and out of the atmosphere. So Manatech is actually growing their aloe plants in Costa Rican volcanic soil. Why is that? Costa Rica is known as a blue zone where there's actually none to very little pollution. So our aloe is very, very clean. And Ambrotose and the glycans that you will find in there supports the immune system health. It assists in maintaining proper digestive system function. It helps with your cognitive system. There's amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in this product. And as I explained previously, how glyconutrition actually links in with the use of collagen, this is very, very important that you have this as a basis for your body to actually talk to each other. So, with that, over to you, our lovely Brag Kamstra. Thank you for leading us through the training and extra information of our brand new product that is launching now in November. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Steph. I appreciate this information because this is so crucial for what we are going to discuss further. This product is a standalone product, but it really slots in with so much that is part of our range in Manatech. Firstly, it's the Ambrotose glycan products that you were talking about. And then secondly, our Luminovation facial range, which you see you will pick up the colors and everything goes together. It is part of the collagen is part of our Luminovation range. And the Luminovation has a basic background, if I can just say it in short, it's Korean beauty technology combined with glycotechnology, and that makes it an absolute profound natural way for your skin to be repaired from the bottom up. And then we drink the products like Steph was now explaining what the product does in our bodies. And then now we've got an extra product, which is the collagen that's going to work on your biggest organ in your body. And I want to start off by a quick video, and then I'm going to stop halfway in it just to discuss a few things with you. There you go. Very quick. You must look very quickly. So the main pillars where this collagen fit into is there's specifically three, but where does this collagen fit into in our South African market? It's part of a top 95% of quality, quantity, price-wise combined, and the technology behind it. There isn't really something that is this unique, and you will understand a little bit later when I've given more info why we would say that. One of the things that Manatech doesn't do is they don't just bring out a product and there's many others and you have to compare with it. Most of our products are very unique. It's either patented or it's got a very special connection to how it's been made, like our omega-3. For very long, we didn't have an omega-3 with vitamin D like we have at this stage because it's a product that Dr. Nugent always said, you don't just want another product that's sort of the same as the rest. You have to be able to say, why is this product so specific and different? And that's what this collagen is all about. And we can only share a little bit of what we got in advance. The main training with the launch is going to be in the last part of November. And then we're going to share much more information. So what you get today from us is really the basics, just to get your mind around it. And when it's being launched, you're going to be ready to really just put in your order and know that you are actually buying a very specific product, as I said, which is in the top the 5% of our country's what you can get. And we are so proud that we can look forward to this product. So the three pillars that you see in front of you is the bioactive collagen peptides. Now, this is two bovine collagen peptides that Manatech actually acquired from a company that they have two medical studies on their bovine collagen. It's not just collagen bought from all over. If you go into this market, you will see the collagen can be bought at coffee shops everywhere. It's something that is now like you buy it like, I look at it like milk powder. Wherever you can, and you think it's like the buzzword, you think you can buy any, but you get such a lot of different qualities. And what are you really taking in when you drink that? So this specific collagen, you can know it's from bovine, and there's two studies on it to make sure that it's so pure and that we can use it in our collagen. Then the second pillar is the Skin X2 collagen booster, which is actually again from a different company, which as an added benefit to the collagen, it's not just collagen, it's actually got a boosting element in, and again, two studies on this product, that medical studies that show why it is so super effective. There's no other collagen in South Africa that contain this benefit. And this specific benefit adds a lot to that. It's not only for your skin, your nail, and your hair, it is for a lot more in your body. Gonna get to that as well. And then the aloe vera extract. Now, aloe vera extract is one of the main thing that aloe actually give you is the anti-inflammatory properties of it. And that is so crucial for as soon as you have an inflamed situation anywhere in your body, there is havoc. Havoc is being caused, and things are not, your cells doesn't operate like it should. So for that, I just want to stop here and then just finish this, and then we'll move on. Oh, now my thing, let me just play it from the beginning. You've got it. It's 1 scoop a day. Your container that you buy is for 30 days. For the results that you get, that's incredible. And that is just a sneak preview of how it's going to be packaged. So we start with smart aging. If you are looking at this product, you're going to not just look at, as I say, skin, hair, and nails. You're going to look at your whole body. So you're going to feel much different. So why do we add this to our incredible products? As I said, this is combined to Luminovation range, which is for more facial. It's the 4 products that's in the facial range. But the studies have shown that the global collagen market is growing from 2023 till 2030. Will still be growing more than 10% per year. So it's not a mark that's already been saturated. Everybody's got what they want and they're not looking for something different. No, this product can be something that you add if you're on the business, or if you want to use it, you're on the top, the new developed products that is now on the studies. And then you'll see in the next point, there's more than 98,000 studies that's already been done, medical studies, on what does collagen really do in our bodies, and what's the benefit of taking it extra, because you're going to realize what happened in your body shortly at the next slide. And then if somebody search on the internet at this stage, one of the most researched things is what they want to ask is what type of collagen, what one, which is the best one to buy. And that's where we fit in. We are in an incredible privileged situation to have this collagen. So this collagen is made up out of 2 types of collagen. And I want you to focus a little bit on the words, because sometimes we read something very quickly and then you think, oh, it's just the same, but it's not. If I can just help you quickly draw this apart. It works on your skin, which minimize the fine lines and the wrinkles. Then it improves your skin elasticity. If you grow older, your skin, the why you get wrinkles is because the elasticity is sort of getting your skin is getting a little bit more harder. There's the amount of muscles that's moving is stiffer. And yeah, that's why we get the wrinkles and everything that goes with it. Hair is thinning, nails is thinning, all of that. But the amazing thing is, if you can help that to work with collagen that is produced by your body and underneath your skin to actually help to, sort of puff out those little wrinkles and things that cause that wrinkles, that's what you want. You want that collagen to work in the right places. Then the next one is strengthen your hair and your nails. And the fourth one for me is it builds the skin. Not only that, your bones, your tendons, and your ligaments. So this product, this collagen, is for people who's active, people who's young, people who's old, people who's very, very sporty, and people who have just went through a major operation, who have a challenge in some of their joints or in, you can think of all the places where you've got bones, tendons, and ligaments. And that is where this come in. And then the type 3 collagen um, that's added to this product is actually, it works on your intestines as well and the muscles and your blood vessels. So this is a one product in all, which is actually helping your body in its complete sense. It help you to then the benefit is it helps you look a little bit younger, and it helps with your skin hydration. So your skin is going to look healthier, younger for a longer time if you continue using the product. So what they found is that even from the age of 25, your collagen production is getting lower. It starts to decline. And that's actually scary. 25 is brand new and still, you're still shining from young, beautiful, you're just beautiful. But from 25, that starts to happen. And if the collagen, especially on your face and everything, starts to decline, that you're going to see very, very quickly frown, little lines, all of that. And then from the age of 30 to 39, the challenge is not just in your skin, it's also in your joints where you're going to start to feel there's a decline in that in this nutrients that you need there, this protein like Steph explained. And then your age between 40 and 60 is where it's an absolute decline. And for women, it's normally around menopause, it's a radical decline. And then when you get to 60, you only have 50% left of your body's ability to really produce collagen on its own. So if you don't have something that you're going to sort of fill this on with, then you're going to have a challenge. You're going to have to go to extreme measures to get rid of these. So how long do they say do you use this collagen in conjunction with some of our other products to get the proper benefit? Is they propose that you use it 3 to 4 months to make sure that you actually can get the full benefit of it, because your wrinkles and all the aches and pains that's in your joints didn't start overnight. It came over years. And your body is being reproduced cell by cell every day, but over a longer period. So you have to give your body a chance to sort of get these new things going so that you can actually see the benefit of what this product can do for you. So I want to just now get to what is in this product. I'm just going to quickly touch onto it because this is the basic. There's more, but this is just to give you an idea. The inulin is something, here's another thing that you see that is added here. It help you to relieve irregular bowel movements, and it's actually support your digestive system. Now, this in itself is amazing because we've went through 2 months now. The one was with gut health, and the other one was a fat loss challenge. And this is all a lot to do with your digestive system. If that is in place, a whole lot of other things in your body starts to get also to fall into place. Then the hydrolyzed collagen, I've explained it a little bit. That's where the 2 studies has been done on. It's bovine collagen. It's pure. So people from different belief systems and everything can use this. It's not that it's something that they can say they can't use, where does this bone collagen or whatever collagen it is from which part of the animal they took it. You don't need to stress about it because they've got that 2 studies on that as well. And then, as I said, the Skinex also 2 special studies on it, and that is actually a booster. It's added, it's a collagen with a booster in it, because this helps the collagen to actually connect with what it needs to, like Steve explained, that combination, that connection that needs to, so that it can be absorbed and used and actually utilized in your body and every cell that you need it. This is what the Skinex does. It helps you to enhance the radiance, reduce the imperfections in your skin, and your overall skin health. Now, Luminovation has been manufactured in a way, and all the research that they've done on it is that you can actually get to a place where you can have a skin without any makeup on, and you can have a sort of a pearl-like radiance to your face, and be comfortable to be have to, to be out there just with maybe a little bit of something on your lips and maybe something on your eyes, but not, you don't want to cover up. It's like you want to look like your skin is healthy and glowing, and that is where the Skinex also work with that radiance that we're looking for, and which is the new trend, and seemingly showing that you are very, very healthy. Then magnesium. This one is specifically for metabolism, and it helps with the bone tissue development and healthy muscle function. Vitamin C is one of the essential ones that help the collagen to also be absorbed, and this vitamin C help you to metabolize fat and the proteins and also the tissue formation. So that is part of the basic of this product. Some collagens you will buy and you will see there's no vitamin C in it. And that actually causes a whole lot of challenges because your body can't really get the collagen to work properly if there's not a form of the vitamin C with it. So that is also adding to the anti-inflammatory, the antioxidant, get rid of the toxins in your body, so your body can actually be overall healthier. Aloe vera, the absolute beautiful part of this product, which helped again anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, help with detoxification, and the main thing, immune boosting. And in the times we live in, we all know what it is to be healthy and to have that extra armor on for your health. Then the vitamin B6 plays an important role for tissue formation, and the folic acid is something that the specific one that they use here is to help the blood cells to form, and it help with the metabolization of this whole product in your system. That's specifically why this folic acid, and that is so good for moms who's pregnant. You are actually taking in everything that you need while you are pregnant as well. So the 3 specific reasons, the pillars, like I said, we stand on is first you have to repair. It's not just your skin that needs to be repaired. It's also your gut system that needs to be repaired. And then as that happen, you're going to see that you're going to radiate. You're going to have the results. So the repair part is the wrinkles that's going to go in time, the skin elasticity that's going to improve immensely, and the surface, especially for cellulite. That's one of the things that they've tested it on. Your hair thickness, your hair nail growth, and it improves the hydration of your skin. So that is just on the broad side, on the repair side. And then with the restore, it comes in, it's the anti-inflammatory. That is huge for athletes, for people who have challenges with their joints and their muscles. It's an antioxidant, getting rid of all the toxins, as I said, help you to detox, to get that also that needs to get out of your system. There's lots of toxins sitting there for years and you have to get this out of your system. This is going to help you with that. And again, while you do that, it also boosts your immune system. And then the result of this is going to be that you radiate, and you're going to have a luminosity of your on your face, decrease of the pigmentation. For me, that the luminovation already done a big part. That's also part of the Well, I want to now, I'll get to the lumination just now, but yeah, so that help for pigmentation and for dark spots and circles around your eyes. And all this ingredients just work synergetically with all, like with the lumination and with our products that we have for you to drink to get your health, for all the different the building blocks of your cell to cell communication in your body. So there's going to be 3 bundles that's going to be available by the end of the month when they launch the product. And here you see the products, the first bundle. So it's where the K Beauty and the glycan technology is going to connect. So the collagen is going to just give your body that huge boost while using your Luminovation range. The Luminovation range is actually, I'm not going to, there's been trained on that. It's a whole talk on its own. But the Youth Intensive Cream, that square pot that you see on the right-hand side, that container, is actually the one that actually help your skin to form collagen. And if you use the collagen powder now, the essential collagen with this range, you're going to give your skin the best chance that you can. And then not, as I said, not just only your skin. Here's the one that they say, the skin support. And for most men and women, this is incredible because you actually add the plus product with, which also contain the glycan technology. And it's also got phytonutrients in and plant sterols that help you to control your endocrine system. So anybody who has got hormones in their body, this is an incredible product to add to your whole. If you think of your health, you can add this to your monthly system. You can be on this, and then you've got your support on the for your immune system by using the collagen and for all the anti-inflammatory properties and things that it can give you the benefits of that. Plus, then you add the plus, and the plus is for, as I say, your thyroid, your all your male and female organs, every little thing, your whole lymphatic system, your pancreas, everything rely on what's in this plus because we call it hormone food. And it isn't a hormone, but it assists with that. And then the antioxidant that you see there is an extra antioxidant of helping your body to get rid. The main thing that take us that actually damage our body from the inside out is toxins. We eat it, we drink it, we live in it. We've got the air and the sun, the wind, and everything on top of it from the outside. So it's from the inside out, and that's why. So that's why they call this the skin support bundle. But you're also working on your total immune if you're doing this bundle. Then the last bundle is, they call it the wellness bundle, but me and Mr. Hoffman, when we had a discussion about it, said it should actually be a sport bundle because if you look at this, it's for somebody who's really active or somebody who's got real challenges. And the collagen in combination with the impact is a is incredible product because the impact help your body to transport up to 20% more oxygen in your blood. So as soon as there's more oxygen, it can use whatever else you take with it to apply and your body can absorb what you actually do in your whole system and to use it, utilize it fully. So combining impact with collagen, you know that you're going to drink the collagen and the extra oxygen is going to help you. So in the case of an athlete, they're going to perform better and don't have that long term, after you've drank an energy drink, you always know you're going to have a slump somewhere. And that's why they drink another one and another one. This is not like that at all. It helps you to increase. It's a pre-workout. It's while you work out and after workout. That's a post-workout. It is really, for normal people, it's a whole day product. So you can drink, there's no limit. But yeah, you can drink it and you can feel revived and it's giving you that extra oxygen. And where there's oxygen, things like bacteria and all of that battles to live. So when you give your body that extra crutch, that it's doing very well. Added to that is the omega-3, which is also an anti-inflammatory product for joint health, for muscle health, soreness, and all that. And then bounce back again. It's a restorative product that helps joints, muscles, and delayed onset stiffness, DOMS, which we know is something that athletes, they can actually exercise more regularly. They don't sit with a sore body if they've overdone it a little bit. And if you listen to all the testimonies, the athletes can go back quicker to do more if they use the product. So combining these four together, you are going to do absolute excellent. If you're an athlete, active person, somebody going through a challenge that your whole body is inflamed. So that is an incredible advantage just to put the four together. And normally in a bundle, it costs a little bit less. Just to bring it into perspective, the collagen on its own is going to be launched at 1,100 for a month product, a month user product. It's a scoop every day. So it's enough for a month. And we always say you don't eat 7 apples a day, and the rest of the rest of the week, you don't eat something. You drink it every day. And that's how the product has been worked out. So as I said in the beginning, give yourself 3 to 4 months to really get the benefits of the products. You've got a 90-day back guarantee that you can send the product back if you feel it really didn't do anything for you. It's rarely that it's been done, but it do happen often. Not often, once in a while, where people feel like, you know what, they didn't have the benefit. But sometimes when I go into that, they didn't really try it. They just said, okay, I don't like the taste and that sort of thing. But still, money back guarantee. And then what you see in the containers normally, we've got we've got a practice that Manitec is being actually uh, monitored and audited for what they do exactly, what it comes into the bottle. You can know that that is a process that they are actually being monitored, and you get exactly what they say on the labels, in what's inside the bottle. And then just one thing I want to quickly touch on is people will ask about a vegan option. And as it's been explained to me, and it's always made sense to me, there's a lot of collagens, if you're going to check it, that there's a very little bit of a very small amount of collagen in the product. It's mostly vitamins and minerals that's in that product. So if it's vegetarian, then you take out the protein base of the collagen, which is bovine. Then you're going to sit with it just a plain, as a sort of a supplement, and then you can go for our amateurs plus as Catalyst, the products that we've got in our range that is actually supporting your skin and your body and your cells to do what it needs to do. So the main thing is there isn't something like a vegetarian collagen. Then it's like the rest of our Manitec range is actually there to do that. So collagen is still something that your body has to make from what you drink and whatever. You can't just push it in. Your body has to manufacture it for it to show. And this is why this collagen is so amazing. We know they've tested it that you can actually absorb it. It can be utilized with cell-to-cell communication in your body, and you can then see the results and feel the results in your body. So with that, that's what I just want to share, Steph. And I think looking forward to the next ones, so we're going to talk about different things. But the topics that will be shared on the groups, and the next one like this will be on the 20th of November, and we're going to share on something different. But in the meanwhile, you will see some information on the groups, what is important about things that is coming up about this collagen, and what you can expect from it, and what an incredible thing to have for this time of the year. Start by, you can share with people that you want to give a special gift to, or give it to yourself and gift yourself, and bless yourself with this product. So with that, I just want to say thank you, Steph, for sharing with me today. And May you all have an incredible evening, and well, we'll see each other soon.
Thank you so much, Brad.